When it comes to business, people think damn near everything under the sun is a tax deduction, especially if you're just starting out running a business. A lot of people listen to those fake gurus
Just listen really, really closely.
that aren't tax pros but want to give you what they think is the right information, but in reality, they're just leading you down the road to financial problems with the IRS. Listen, I'm not one of those guys, and I damn sure don't want you to get in trouble with the IRS. But I am going to give you what I know about what business expenses are tax deductible, and you can do what you want to do with this information. But like I said, I do advise you to holler at a tax professional once you finish watching this video though. So, with that being said,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My
name is Devon. Put in work Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. I'm here to help you make more money, start your dream business while building a better you and body. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Alright, listen. Tax laws vary by state, vary by country, vary by region, okay? And the specific regulations may change over time. So it's essential to consult with your tax professional, like I said before, or accountant, to get accurate and up-to-date information tailored to your specific situation, okay? However, I can provide a general overview of common business expenses that are often tax deductible in many jurisdictions, states, countries, whatever, right? All over the United States, right? Everywhere. This is general, okay? Just keep in mind, okay? That this list is not the end-all be-all, and there may be some more considerations based on your business type and local tax laws. I just want to make sure we are clear on that, okay? All right, so with all that being said, here are some common deductible business expenses you can, talk to your peoples about. Number one, your operating expenses. You got rent or lease payments for your business property, utilities like electricity, water, internet, et cetera, office supplies and equipment like, your printer, your paper, your ink, all these things are office supplies. Maybe even your laptop. You have your insurance premiums for your business. You have liability, you have property insurance, things of that nature. So those are pretty much those operational costs. Number two, employee-related expenses. Okay, so if you have employees, you have salaries, bonuses, hourly wages, employee benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, etc. All right, you also have a separate payroll tax you have to account for also. Number three, travel and transportation. Business-related travel expenses like airfare, lodging, meals, all that good stuff. Vehicle expenses, mileage, maintenance, fuel for business-related travel, parking, and tolls. Okay, so you can definitely, put this on your taxes. Number four, marketing and advertising. Costs associated with advertising and promotion, website development and maintenance, marketing materials like business cards, brochures, all that good stuff, flyers, all that good stuff. Number five, professional fees. Fees paid to consultants, accountants, and legal professionals. Membership fees for professional organizations, okay? Fees upon fees upon fees. You can even probably write off your fee for the golf course if you do business there. You gotta be able to be smart about it though. Number six, depreciation. Depreciation on business assets such as machinery, equipment, and vehicles, okay? Number 7, home office expenses. If you use part of your home exclusively for business, you may be able to deduct a portion of expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities, and home maintenance. But definitely, again, make sure you talk to your accountant first before you do this. Number 8, meals and entertainment. Business-related meals and entertainment expenses may be partially deductible. However, the rules around these deductions can be complex, and there are often limitations. So again, check with your professionals. Number 9, interest expenses. Interest on business loans or business credit cards may be deductible, depending on the situation. Number 10, training and education. This is a good one. Costs associated with employee training and development or industry-specific education may be deductible. Again, remember, tax laws are subject to change, and deductions can vary based on the nature of your business and the jurisdiction in which you operate this business, okay? Always consult with a qualified tax professional for advice tailored to your specific circumstances. Also, for all things business related, from a startup business, right, keeping a business, to selling a business, to buying a business, business credit, and even business loans, check out the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com/business-solutions. Okay, the link is in the description. All right, and get started today. We got everything you need when it comes to business, okay? And all links in the description. Again, all links in the description. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, I want you to understand that we're all about helping you start a business and make this really big money, okay? So definitely get on board with us. And do remember, we want you to make more, save more, and build more. Peace.